Hi everyone, in front of me I've got my phone N23 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. So let's simply tap on date and just by swiping change it, tap on OK to confirm. And a quick disclaimer before actually we will move on, probably you will not be able to do that because usually we've got this option set to use network provided time, and as you can see that is why the date and time are inactive. So all you have to do is to tap on this option and tap on off. Thanks to it you will unlock the date and the time options. So let's change the time also, again just by swiping, confirm it with OK. We can set the time zone automatically or set it manually, just tap on it, and again if you will have this automatic option set, you will not be able to tap on the time zone. So first of all turn it off and then tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we can search our time zone, find it and tap on it to apply. It will be immediately applied, of course. Let's go back. Here we can use location to set the time zone. We can also decide what kind of clock format we want to use, so the 24-hour one or 12-hour format, it's totally up to you. And this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course we can set everything automatically just like I've shown you before. So just tap on this switcher and here use network provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.